Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Customizing or editing management reports is a little different than customizing regular reports. This is because management reports are complete packets of information instead of a single report. To customize a management report, click the Reports button and then select the Management Reports heading. If you wish to preserve the integrity of the existing management reports, which is recommended, click the drop-down in the Action column for the management report that you want to use as the basis of your own custom management report within this list. Then select the Copy command from the drop-down menu to create a copy of the management report within the list. To then customize the copy of the management report you have created, click the drop-down in the Action column for the copy of the management report, and then choose the Edit command in the drop-down menu to open the management report's template page. This template page will be broken down into the respective pages of the management report. At the top of the page, you can enter a new template name into the text box. You will also set the report period by using the drop-down list on the right-hand side of the page. Along the left-hand side of the page are the different sections within the management report. The different sections are Cover Page, Table of Contents, Preliminary Pages, Reports, and Endnotes. Clicking any of these sections will display the available customization settings for that section at the right side of the page. The Cover Page section allows you to choose a cover style from a selection of default styles. If you have uploaded a logo for your company, you can see and add it by using the Logo area. You must have a logo uploaded before trying to customize a management report. You can use the company settings link in the gear icon to upload or change your company logo. You can also change the cover title, subtitle, report period, prepared by, prepared date, and add a disclaimer to this page by using the text fields for each setting. Leaving a line blank will not enter any information into the report. A preview of the cover page will be displayed to the right, allowing you to instantly see the changes that you make. The second section, Table of Contents, allows you to add or remove a Table of Contents page within the management report. This page allows you to include Table of Contents by checking the checkbox. If included, you can also enter a custom page title by changing the entry in the text field. Any reports within the Reports section will appear within the preview of the Table of Contents that is shown here. The Preliminary Pages section will allow you to include this page by checking the checkbox. You can add a page title and page content by making entries into the associated fields. These pages are for additional information about the reports or for including extra information about the company. You can add additional preliminary pages by clicking the Add New Page link that appears at the bottom of the page. The Reports section is where you will choose which reports are contained in the management report. You can remove the existing reports in this section by clicking the pencil icon at the right side of the page to open the report details. A trash can icon will appear at the right side of the report details. Click this trash can icon to remove the report from the page. You can also edit the report details themselves in this area. For example, you can change the title and period for the report. You can also set the report to compare the previous year or compare the previous period by checking those checkboxes if available. To add a new report, click the Add New Report link to add a new report details section to the list of reports. Then select the name of the report to add from the Select a Report drop-down. You can use the Period drop-down to select the default reporting period and set any additional reporting options you prefer by checking the available checkboxes if shown and if desired. Any reports shown within this report list will also be shown within the Table of Contents if you are using a Table of Contents within the management report. The Endnotes section allows you to include a closing page with your management report. Click the Include this page checkbox to include a closing page. You can also include a breakdown of sub-accounts by checking the checkbox for this option. This option will create a schedule that will list any sub-accounts for line items contained in your reports. You can also add a page title and page content to this page by entering information into the text fields. At the bottom of the management report's template page is a toolbar within which you will find a Cancel button that will delete any changes and close the page. Clicking the Print or Preview button will open a PDF viewer so you can preview your management report. You can also print or download the report from the PDF viewer using the print or download icons. Clicking the Advanced link will open a small window where you can change the company name field and add custom information to the header or footer of your management report pages by typing text or by simply clicking the Fields button at the right end of either text box to insert report data fields. You can then click the OK button in this window to save and close it when finished. The final buttons in the toolbar at the bottom of the Management Reports template page are a Save button and a drop-down button with Save and Close as its default setting. The other options in the drop-down button are Save As, Export as DOCX, Export as PDF, and Send. Choosing the default Save and Close option will save the template and close the window. Choosing Export as DOCX will allow you to download the report as a Microsoft Word document. Choosing Export as PDF will allow you to save the template as a PDF file. Choosing Send will open an email management report window that allows you to enter an email address and the subject and body of an email to send the management report for you via email. It is also important to note that if you did not change the template name, saving changes will replace the default template with the new template you created. Make sure that you change the template name field at the top of this page to ensure that you create a new management report if you did not do this when you started.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.